As technology and society progress, human interaction as we know it only weakens. With the digitisation of the world, we are slowly losing characteristics of being human and progressively becoming more impersonal. Even our social lives have been transferred to online. As an effect, design has progressively lost its character, focusing on more streamlined and modern outcomes rather than something of character and intricacy, the character which was seen in pivotal historical moments like the Industrial Revolution. Therefore, we felt it was only right to design something which reflects human interaction and movement in an attempt to bring character and life back to our designs. Using simplistic mechanisms like pulleys, we were able to reflect joint movement which occurs in human fingers. Our design came to life in an effort to mimic natural hand movements. Through the use of a control center comprised of multiple strings, the user is in control of the movement of the hands, depending on which pulley they choose to activate. Each finger can move independently, in conjunction with another finger, with the ability to move at all the joints, or the fingers can splay. The motion in the fingers is achieved through a combination of springs, pulleys, and lock pins. The success of mimicking real, complex hand movements was enabled through replicating the number of joints in a real hand and examining the directions which they can move, even if there was some trial and error.
Stop.